All right, hello. There we go. This is what I'm doing today. I'm going to attach this document, this little packet, to the assignment. So those of you guys who are printing this, great. Those of you guys who aren't, who don't have a printer or don't have printer ink or whatever, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know if we're going to be able to give you guys the stuff or what's going on, but probably to figure out how I was going to do this and what materials to gather, and I couldn't get it together. I didn't have enough time, so this is the way it is. So here's how this is going to work. Our notes are going to be done on the packet. There's, I don't know, 12 or something on here. There are 12 problems. I'm going to do the first 4 as the notes, okay? So you're going to take a picture of all 4, and it's going to count for your 10 points for the notes and the assignment. Also, please upload Google Classroom app, or download the Google Classroom app, please. And it'll be easier for you to take pictures and send them to me, okay? You hear me, Cade? You hear me, Cade Hahn? Please do that. Download the app. See if that works better. And I know you got a phone because I see you on it every single day. Let me make sure this is, okay, we're good. Here we go. You need a highlighter. You guys did a good job on the homework, by the way. Those of you guys who did it, who did the last assignment, it was really good. I appreciate all the hard work and your adjustments, okay? So this is going to be kind of along the same lines as we did with the regular circles and arcs when we used our knowledge of semicircles and diameters and all the stuff. So we're going to do the same thing, except our equations are now going to be longer. And we're just going to solve the equations. A lot of equation solving. So KG, let's go. KG's here. Let's do this. And where are my felt tips? Wonderful. I just had 4 of them up here. Where's the red one? Come on, man. Where's the red one? Oh, here. Oh, right by the camera. Isn't that great? Here they are. It's my artillery right here. Oh yeah, and if anyone sees Omar, can someone text Omar and Chris Doyle and tell them to log into Google Classroom or download the app or whatever, because they are MIA. Oh yeah, Brianna, haven't seen her on Google Classroom. Maybe someone Instagram her and tell her to do her assignments, please. This is a good opportunity for everybody. I got my stuff. Here we go. So what do we know here? We have to find this. We've got x plus 138, we've got x plus 48. Well, one thing I see is if I want to solve for x here, I know that this is a half of a circle, and that's 180 degrees. So let's solve for x first and go x plus 138, which is this piece right here, plus x plus 48 equals 180. And I know that because I don't need to solve for any of this now. I'm trying to solve for x, and I'm going to plug it in for that. So let's put our 1's in. Let's solve this equation. Guys, please just don't copy this. Okay, try to do it yourself. I know you guys just like to copy stuff sometimes and get the credit, but come on. 1x plus 1x is 2x. And I don't have the answer key to this, so I've got to go pull the calculator and do it myself. Okay. 138 plus 48 equals 186. Plus 186 equals 180. and 80. Okay, let's see. Here's the variable. Let's subtract 186. Don't go, oh my gosh, we can't do that. Yeah, it's -6, guys. And take it on your iPhones and on your whatever. Yeah, it'll give you -6. You don't have to use the number line anymore. So I'm bringing down my 2x and my equal sign. I'm dividing and I'm dividing. That's gone, that's gone. -6 divided by 2 is x equals -3. Not done yet, guys. It says find the measure of the arc or central angle. Here's the arc, and the arc is the central angle, so I'm plugging in the -3 for that x right there. So that says, I'm just going to draw an arrow here, x plus 138, which is really -3 plus 138, which is really 138 minus 3 equals 135. There's my answer, and there's my answer. Voila. On to number 2. Arc L and K. L and K. This is going to be a big one. All the way around. There it is. Let's do this. Okay. I'm going to do it like this. Let's see. I need to find this whole thing, and I want to be smart about it, and I hope this works, okay? If I know that the whole circle equals 360, how about we just subtract the 63 plus x? I think that'll work. If we subtract this piece of pizza from the rest and go 360 minus 63, you know what? Fail. I'm going to do it the other way. And I'm going to cut this one out, by the way. That was dumb. Okay, erase that, please. Let's do it again. Guys, these are a little longer problems. I'm not going to give you a ton of these. Okay, I tried to take the shortcut on there, but I failed. So let's do it again. Let's make some sense out of this. Now, I know this. I know that if this is 70, that's 70. And if this is x plus 53, this is x plus 53. And I also know that this is 180 over here. So that's all solved. I just have to figure out this and then figure out x. So let's do the whole kit and caboodle here. 180 plus x plus 53 plus 70 plus 63 plus x equals 360. That's a long equation, guys. That's pretty big. Let's do it. 1, 1. Let's combine like terms. There's our x's. We're adding these up. This is pretty old school. Okay, I'm going to add up 180 plus 53 plus 70 plus 63. Okay, 180 plus 53 plus 70 plus 63 equals, 366. Those are gone. X plus x, or 1x plus 1x is plus 2x equals 360. This is going to be very similar to the last one. I'm keeping this, I'm subtracting 366, and I've got -6 again. 2x equals -6 again, therefore x is going to equal -3. I'm plugging in this -3 to, I can do this a couple ways. I could say, if I plug it in here, -3 plus 53 equals 50. So that'd be a 50 plus 70 plus 180 would give us the whole piece. Or we could go like this. 63 plus x is really 63 minus 3. So this guy's 60. If this guy's 60, 360 take away 60 is 300. So that was kind of a rough one. especially since I screwed it up the first time trying to do it. I did it the long way though. Our last notes problem. I know I said I was going to do 4, but I don't want this to be 30 minutes long. This is our last notes problem right here. And I'm going to give you a couple to do on your own and really try to figure it out. All right. Okay, highlighter. UPQ. This is a central angle. UPQ. UPQ. There it is. It's this guy right here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I do see some congruency marks, and I do see that this is half of the circle. Remember, when you guys, if you can take the easy way out, and you've got some expressions representing these pieces, and you know that it's half of the circle, then why even bother with this stuff here? Doesn't matter, okay? Decoy. Decoy. Those little marks right there, those are decoys. All right, we don't need those. Don't let those distract you. Let's just solve for x and know that we're going to equal it to 180 right here. 2x plus 116 plus x plus 64 equals half the circle, which is 180. Let's solve this, and let's go 2x plus 1x, 116 and 64. 2x plus 1x is 3x. And 116 plus 64, let's see, 116 plus 64 equals 180. Don't freak out when this stuff lines up like this. Big deal. Keep it, subtract it, gone, 0. 3x equals 0. Divide by 3, gone, and x is now 0. If I plug in the 0 to that x, that x right there, 2 times 0 plus 116 is what? 0 plus 116. The answer is 1/16. There it is. It's B. All right? So, your assignment is to try to work a couple of these out. I'll be surprised if you get all of them right, but I don't think so. So I'm going to assign some of these and look for it on the Classroom app, and that's it for me for today. My mouth is really dry because I've been speaking without stopping. How long has this been? Oh my God, where is it? 13 minutes, wow. And if you know what? 13 minutes. If I had to deal with you guys in the class, that 13-minute lesson would have been at least 40 minutes, okay? So rewind it, look at it. Ask your parents for help. They all took geometry. Your parents all took geometry in high school. They had to, even if it was back in the 80s, 70s. See ya.